believe it or not, right after this post here, it turns into Mexico, so we're good to go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for continuing to watch us. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any comments below, you know. Let us know what you like to see in future content, and we'll try to make it happen. Anyways, so I went on a long camping trip this weekend and completely missed the end of Dave's S3 rebuild. We're kind of leaving off at a weird point. I know we showed kind of working on the head, getting it torqued down to the short block and stuff like that, but at this point, thing is running. I'm gonna be meeting up with Dave in a little bit. First, we're gonna eat some food over at Sylvan Street, maybe grab a beer. But anyways, after that, we're gonna go back to my house. Russo is wiring right now his fuel pump module, I believe it is. He's gonna get that all wired up, and then he's gonna come over and we're gonna upload the new tune, do a walk around, see kind of the first startup. He's a pretty big savage when it comes to it. Knowing him, break-in's probably a very short period for him, and we should get a couple pulls tonight, hopefully, and kind of see how everything's working out. So stay tuned.
I'll show you. It's not like done. I still got to tuck it all away in zip tie, but I was running over here so I could, you know, not lose all this daylight. We're gonna film it.
We're gonna call him Mickey Mouse for the day.
Hey, look, it's zip tied everywhere else.
It sounds amazing, dude. When you weren't like answering me last night and like that, I thought this motor was
yeah. No, I got tied up. Oh, last night I was actually doing something else. Honestly, I was kind of like freaked out at first. Like, I was just so paranoid. I haven't driven the car in 6-7 weeks. I honestly didn't even remember what it's supposed to sound like. So when I started it up, I didn't even know what to expect. And then after I like started it, I was like, all right, it's cool, whatever. I did run into a few issues with VCDS. You got to go in and relearn a couple things, like the timing chain. You got to tell the car it's got a new timing chain in it. The car was actually running a little, not stumbly, but like I knew something wasn't 100%, but I wasn't worried yet because it was still like, you know, I just started it, could be anything. And I did the relearn for that, the cams, all that good stuff. Went through and did a full basic setting on the engine, and it just purred like a kitten after. I was just amazed.
So it wasn't purring like a kitten when you first started?
It wasn't bad, it wasn't like 100%. It didn't make any noise. It's just, it like didn't idle as smooth as it.
This thing sounds like a stock motor.
Oh,
though.
yeah.
It sounds great. All right, let's get the tune uploaded and break her in the proper way, right?
We already got like 200 miles, give or take on it. So
add a zero to the end. Yeah, that's 200.
Change the oil after.
Give it a little rev ski.
Rev it. Sounds happy, man. Is that? I don't know, man. It's just I had the rod bolts in my fingers like 3 days ago.
I hear you.
You know what I mean?
No, I think it sounds good, dude.
Is it me or does it sound a little fucking weird?
I had a little like putzing, but it could be like an exhaust leak or something like very little.
It honestly sounds like
almost like a little like ticky at one point.
When you're driving it doesn't sound like that, but I've never free revved this car ever.
I know what you're hearing because I heard it a little bit too, but I don't think it's any, like honestly I don't even think it's anything bad.
To be honest with you,
it sounds like almost like an exhaust leak more than anything.
It sounds like intake noise, and this turbo has huge blades on it. Like
do it again one more time. That thing's fine, man. Bottom end wise, that thing's fine. It doesn't
RPM
knock it like.
That's what. No, it's definitely RPM dependent.
I hear what you're saying, but it's a built fucking motor, man. Like that.
I just want to know where it's coming from because it's not piston slap.
No smoke, nothing.
Nothing, right?
Fucking well built, bro.
Doesn't even look like I built it. Like it's like, what? That don't got a built motor in
stock,
it.
Dude.
Things have eBay friggin' rotors and painted rims. Get out of here.
Tell everyone it's stock. Stop racing for some money. Pay for this build a little bit.
I'm gonna start showing everyone like my fucking Domo and my what are those race shoes?
Oh yeah, you get the
what are the thingy,
you get the little German fucking Euro plate on the front.
Slut,
Yeah. No, please don't do that, bud. Pull her in.
You boys, what's the review on July? Good? Not good?
Girl mids. Can we get a little more?
We got some back seat tuning, boys.
Jib tuned. Boost all the way up to like 45 psi. At a couple degrees of time and call it a day.
Is this usually done from the back seat?
No. We got a little issue going on.
Don't mind Jonesy and his computer that dies.
And my computer has AIDS.
God only knows what you're looking at, bro.
This thing is chugging along great. Scared to touch my face using this thing.
Sticky keyboards down there. Diamond's auto body.
Yeah, bro. Let me bond you up real quick, son.
If it fits, it ships.
I was wondering why the car was making like 18 pounds. Because I was like babying it and I set it to like 13. And I was like getting on it and the car was making like 15, 16. I'd let off. I'm like, what the hell? The slider's not working. You can actually control the boost right from Eurodyne. I was thinking that it was like funky in the program and I was kind of not trusting it for a second. And it just turns out that I forgot to save when I put it to 13 pounds.
What's that 30 pounds? 28 pounds, 30, yeah.
It was at 30 pounds this whole time. It's a good thing I wasn't beating on it.
I think at 35, just me in the middle.
I think
saying
so.
30,
Yeah.
he's saying 40, 35, maybe 36, spice it up a little bit. You ready, Diamond?
Fucking guess so.
Going forward.
Crazy to be in this car again, man. So what we're at, like 22 psi right now?
22 pounds that we set it to for now.
How's the timing? Is it like aggressive?
Honestly, I'm sure this is not like your average daily tune. I'm sure it's beefy. They get 94 octane gas. What does that tell you? I'm gonna warm the car up.
Yeah.
Man, turbo sounds way different.
It does. She spools. Oh, Dave, this is something else.
You were barely even leaning it.
Yeah. I can hear the turbo and the way it's like pulling, dude.
Yeah, it's much,
Feels different.
It definitely feels different. It feels faster already.
It's about to get real.
Dude, you can drive.
Okay, this thing moves. This feels like built motor car. Dude, can we go raise the boost back up?
I think so, Dave. Can't
No,
see
it's
your
not.
face,
I mean,
but
this is
For
going
22
slow.
pounds of
I know.
boost, man,
I know
this
what
thing
you're
is
saying,
silly
but it's
fast.
still fast.
The car is usually hard and fast.
Oh, hard
See,
right.
bud? Woo! And it begins.
Jesus Christ.
We're cranking the boost up.
Ready, friend?
Break it in, they said.
Oh, okay, right here. Oh, shnikes, bro.
It's got more in it, but like.
That's 22 psi.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fucking.
She's
new
about to
animal.
get 30.
That was 90. Do I hit 35 pounds of this?
Yo,
Oh, I got a 35, 35.
35, 35. We got 40.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Holy fuck, bro.
Did I say I was gonna let off before that turn?
Yeah, I liked it though. But also, that's the first time you almost felt like you were about to snap an axle. I mean, and there's a lot of power fucking getting put through those fucking axles.
Dude, you're gonna feel that fucking...
It almost sounded like you, yeah. It was like finally like wheel hopping, like fucking, I'm about to snap